Hey, this is Culver from Symmetry Electronics, and in this multi-part video series, we're going to go over step-by-step on how you can create an end-to-end IoT product using Medium One's IoT cellular kit. Included with the cellular kit is Digi's XBee3 LTE-M cellular modem. If you want to learn more about the IoT cellular kit from Medium One, be sure to check out our previous video where we did an unboxing of the kit. So first, who is Medium One? Medium One is an innovative provider of IoT cloud solutions to help engineering teams jumpstart their IoT application and simplify the path to production. With a full-featured cloud platform and multiple kits to choose from, Medium One takes all the complex pieces of IoT and puts them under one umbrella so you don't need to spend your valuable time developing or integrating tools yourself. These Medium One IoT kits are perfect for developers who are looking to create and release a connected product market, but with minimal resources. For this video series, we'll be producing a smart pillbox from beginning to end, showing you how we did the firmware to hardware and Medium One's cloud portal. We're looking to create a concept product that charges a monthly subscription for its use. The smart pillbox is designed to be easy to use and would monitor the medication taken by you or your loved ones. It does so by simply texting an alert whenever the owner forgets to take their medication. The user simply specifies a medication schedule online and registers one or more phone numbers. When the pillbox has detected a missed schedule time, it will send out an alert. Likewise, we'll also have it send out an alert if it ever goes offline or if the lid is left open for too long. We'll be going over each part of the process in our upcoming videos. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to follow along in our journey. Thanks for watching. For all things wireless IoT and video, Symmetry has you covered.